3 nights ago, astronomers discovered something impossible. The sky moved, not the stars, not the clouds, the sky itself. At first, they thought it was a glitch in the telescopes. But then every satellite on Earth sent the same image. The entire upper atmosphere was slowly expanding and contracting. Like a lung, like something enormous, was breathing above the planet. Governments tried to hide it, but hiding the sky is impossible. Within hours, people started noticing it. Pilots reported turbulence in clear air, birds stopped flying, dogs started crying every night at exactly the same time, 3:33 a.m. Every night, everywhere. Then the dream started. Millions of people began seeing the same nightmare, standing in a dark field, a giant shadow blocking the stars, and a voice, ancient, cold, hungry. The voice always asked the same question. Which one of you remembers? Most people woke up screaming, but some didn't wake up at all. Doctors found them sitting upright in their beds, eyes wide open, bodies frozen, brains completely silent, like something had switched them off. Military radar detected objects entering Earth's orbit. But they weren't ships. They didn't move like ships. They unfolded, like metal flowers opening in space. Thousands of them, and each one was the size of a city. Panic spread instantly, fighter jets launched, missile systems activated. But before any weapon could fire, every screen on Earth turned black. Phones, TVs, billboards, even car dashboards, all showing the same message. Just 2 words. We found it. Nobody understood what it meant. Until the disappearances started. People didn't get abducted. They walked away. Millions of humans suddenly left their homes, left their families, left their cities, all walking toward the same place, the ocean. On beaches across the world, crowds gathered silently. Thousands, then millions, standing perfectly still, looking at the horizon, like they were waiting for something to rise. And then it did. The ocean began to glow, not on the surface. From the bottom, something massive was moving beneath the water. Something so large, entire continents felt the vibration. Naval ships tried to investigate. They never came back. Satellites captured one final image before they vanished. A shape rising from the ocean floor. Not a creature. Not a machine. Something worse. A structure. Ancient. Alien. Buried beneath Earth for millions of years. When it broke the surface, the sky stopped breathing. Because the thing in the ocean was answering it. Cities lost power instantly. Gravity fluctuated. People collapsed in the streets. And the voice returned. Inside every human mind. Clearer this time. Which one of you is the key? Scientists started noticing something terrifying. The aliens weren't invading. They were scanning humans. Every person on Earth. Looking for someone specific. In a small hospital room in London, a young boy sat quietly beside his sleeping mother, watching the news, watching the chaos. Then suddenly the screen flickered, and the alien voice spoke again. But this time, only he heard it. Found you. The boy's eyes widened. Outside the hospital window, the sky split open. Hundreds of alien shapes descended at once, not attacking, not destroying, just hovering, waiting. Military helicopters arrived within minutes. Soldiers surrounded the building. But none of them were looking at the boy. They were looking at the sky. Because something bigger was coming down. Something the size of a skyscraper. An alien entity made of shifting black metal and starlight. When it touched the ground, every electronic device within 100 miles died instantly. The creature slowly turned its head toward the hospital window, toward the boy. The boy whispered quietly, "Mom, they're here." The alien voice entered his mind again. "You have been hidden for a long time. Your species did not know. But we always knew." The boy started shaking. Images flooding his mind, stars exploding, planets collapsing, entire civilizations erased. And a terrifying truth. He wasn't human. He was something placed here. Long ago. A lock. The alien spoke again. We did not come to destroy Earth. We came to open it. Suddenly the ocean structure activated. Across the entire planet, massive cracks began forming in the ground, mountains collapsing, oceans rising. Because Earth itself was not a planet. It was a container. The boy started crying. I don't want to open anything. The alien paused. For the first time, its voice changed, almost sympathetic. You already did. The sky above Earth split open completely, revealing something behind it, something that had been hiding in deep space for millions of years. A colossal alien organism wrapping around the planet like a shadow, waiting, sleeping, hungry. The alien entity whispered one final sentence. The universe feared this day, because when the lock awakens, the prisoner wakes too. The boy slowly looked up at the sky, tears falling down his face. Then his eyes began glowing. Not human anymore. Ancient. Endless. Terrifying. And the last words humanity heard were whispered in his voice. Finally, I'm awake,